Well, hello and welcome to my channel of Java Noobs. My name is Sharath and you are viewing my Java video tutorial series. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I would suggest you to see it first, and below is the link. Object-oriented programming. Question 3. Polymorphism. Now firstly, poly means many and morph means forms. Now in Greek, the word poly means many and the word morph means forms. So together polymorph means many forms. So one object or one entity portraying many forms to other objects or other entities is known as polymorphism. Now to give you a real world example, I'll just use paint so that I can illustrate this in a much better way. Now okay, kindly bear with me, my sketches are not all that good. Okay, so now I am a boy. This is called as a real world entity. It can be anything. Okay, now there could be many aspects of a boy, that is myself. Now at home I am a son. At college I am a student. I'll just write stud, right? And at work I am an employee. Okay, so hope you understood that. I am an entity here and I will not be changing, but I will be portrayed to some other entities like home, college or work as another entity or an object. So at home I am a son to my parents. At college I am a student to my teachers. At work I am an employee to my employers. Okay, but I remain the same. When you look in three different aspects, I may look different. This is known as polymorphism. To put it across in simple words, in a nutshell, polymorphism is a bottom-up method call. The key benefits of polymorphism is that it is very easy to add new classes of derived objects without breaking the calling code that uses the polymorphic classes or interfaces. When you send a message to an object, even though you don't know what specific type it is, the right thing happens, and this is known as polymorphism. Polymorphism is a bottom-up method call. It's very easy to add classes, that is you can add new classes of derived objects and you won't affect the calling code in any which ways. So this is known as polymorphism, and in polymorphism there are two types, and they are method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is also called as static binding, or it is called as compile time polymorphism. Method overriding is called as dynamic binding or runtime polymorphism. Now what I will do in my next tutorial is I will explain what method overloading is and what method overriding is, and I will give two examples of each. So I would write two programs to illustrate method overloading and method overriding. Now if anybody asks you what polymorphism is, you just blindly tell them that poly means many and morph means forms in Greek. So polymorphism is portraying many forms. And there are two types of polymorphisms. They are method overloading and method overriding. After this you'll have to explain what method overloading is and what method overriding is. So see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please go ahead and rate, comment and subscribe.